How's it going? So I want to take a break from the car video today, show you this great card holder that I picked up. If you guys are looking for a nice slim card holder that utilizes your phone as well, this is the one to get. They have different colors. They even have some that are made in titanium if you're looking for that option, but really nice design here. This one I got was the horizontal one. You can get the vertical ones as well, depending on what you need. Nice solid construction, very sturdy. Just slides and pops your cards out. It'll hold up to 6 cards inside here. Really nice. You also get this clip here if you want to stick to the back. You can do that as well. This is probably my favorite part here. So this piece here, you just screw onto the back of this and they give you everything you need, and it'll magnetically attach to your phone or your case. They give you a little screwdriver in the bag of the 2 screws that you need. You screw that in and it just attaches super strong to the back of your phone. Then you don't need to bring anything else. You can just have a few cards in there, not gonna fall off. Like I said, super nice construction. It's a nice high quality piece for sure. Like I said, it'll just hold the cards inside, and then when you push it up like this, the 6 cards will pop out. And then you can just pull whatever one out you want. They're securely inside there. And the best part about this is that it has RFID blocking. So you know there's a lot of scams going out there right now. So it's a great option to invest in something like this. Protect your information, guys. It happens all the time. I don't know if you can see in there, there's little like teeth that'll hold the cards in place. So when you push it up there, you can just grab whatever one you need. So they're secure inside this wallet. Like a nice, really impressive, the quality of it. And like I said, they have a black one as well, and they have a titanium one, and then different orientation too. If you want a vertical one, they have those as well. Just check the website out. And the link will be in the description, guys. And then if you want to use my promo code, I'll put that in the description as well. It'll save you 12% off the price. Just a great little accessory. Like I said, if you want, you just attach it to your phone. Then you don't have to worry about bringing your wallet around if you're going to the gym or whatever you're doing. It just makes it a lot easier. And then you have the protection of the blocking as well, so someone can't steal your data. So I want to bring this to you guys. Nice little kit here. Like I said, I'll put all the links in the description that you guys need for the promo code and for their website as well, so you can pick one up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll respond right back to you guys. I appreciate it as always. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.